Okay, so I've cut these two little blocks here. This is to form the bit that'll actually contact the hatch arms. So I'm just going to weld these on first. It's still a bit hot, but I'll just take all this lot off for now. Actually, it's not really required. So those are done, welded on. Let's see if it fits now. Let's put the hatch back on. Okay, so here's now. It opens up to what I think now is about the right place. So that is the hatch mechanism done now completely. Okay, so that tower is actually now ready to go on, I think. I don't think there's anything else I've got to do on that for the moment anyway. Right, I'm just going to shuffle this back a bit so I can work on this forward a bit. So I've got another mould prepped ready to go. I'll do that bit later on, but first thing I'm going to do is start grinding the edge of the tower reinforcement ring to get the tower welded on. I need to just do some prep first. So done. That's always a bit of a nuisance, that. Now I've got to do the other corresponding edge. I've just done this to a kind of like a half-mil stroke knife edge, really. I'm going to go at it from this side. Now I've got to do the same bevel on the corresponding hatch. I'd like to take this off now, but I daren't do that before it's welded on. At least got the root run on to hold it in place. So once this is on, I'm going to have to plasma cut around there, and I think I'll be able to sort of batter and manhandle these pieces out. It's a very unpleasant job. Anyway, managed to do that last one with just one grinding disc. There's still plenty of chomp left on it, but I'm going to put a new one in for this one. Horrible job. It's done now. I'm just going to put this up into position. I just want to have a look at it. Okay, I'm just going to make some little brackets that are just going to attach to this bolt hole and go under here, just so I can lift this up a little bit. So got this all ready to weld on now, so I've got about a 1.5mm gap all the way around, and I was going to make a start on the welding today, but so I've been watching Hank's video and he's using a pump, and I thought that was a really good idea, save air, so I'm going to put a pump in actually and do the same as that. So that means I'll need to snorkel air in from the surface whilst just below the surface, so I'm going to need an extra snorkel. While I wait for that new part to arrive, that Schedule AV pipe nipple, I'm just going to fit this forward tank. So as this is symmetrical, I've just taken the aft tank off, and I'm just going to copy this one and transfer it to the other side.